So here's this project update I've been promising you. I did figure out a really good way to clamp onto the drill with a single bolt that's lightweight, easy for me to make. It's mostly McMaster car parts and water jetted flat stuff. So there's a couple of cam followers that you can't see too well riding in a groove there, but it's fairly simple. Anyway, I was happy with that. And then I realized that I had no way to get a chuck key onto the drill once this was mounted. You could only mount this when the hole saw is not mounted to the drill. And then to put the hole saw onto the drill, you'd have to use the chuck key, and it didn't all fit. So then I had to go back and create some curved slots here so that this part detaches from the main body. So I figured that out. I got that all done. Then I was pretty unsatisfied with the flexible linkage going between, to link all of these different components. So I did find a program online that helped me create some very specific gears at a 59.5-degree angle. And so that's now how I'm aligning, how I'm linking all three of the adjustments for the fingers. So that created a few more parts that are nylon that need to be printed. This is a guide that needs to be printed. I've got a McMaster car pin that's sliding through that guide, when the hole gets drilled. I've also got some common McMaster car parts for this so that you can buy those when they wear out and you don't have to contact me again. I'll just give you the McMaster car numbers. Where I'm at then is these gears barely interfere with the locking guard. Let me undo that. And I still have to make DXFs for the water jet. I have to compile a list of all the McMaster car parts and purchase those. I gotta print the wheel gear, the pinion gear, the worm gear, the locking guard, the alignment guide, the transfer shaft mounts, the sliding locks, and the fingers for the sensors. I need to modify in the program the cutout for that locking guard, like I said. Let me see if I can show you that. So when I put this on, if you sneak a peek down the side here, that gear is hitting it. And actually the shaft collar is hitting it even worse. So I've got to do a little more work there to get that cleared up. I still haven't added the keyways to this mount. I haven't added the keyways to this gear. I have not added the keyways to, let me turn that guard off again. I've not added the keyways to my new gears. So I got to put all those keyways in there. I have to source it's a McMaster car part, but I have to get the spring that goes inside of here. So I have to get that figured out. And I think that's it. So that's where I'm at. I'm still working in CAD quite a bit. I have printed out this gear successfully, 3 of those, and I have printed out this gear successfully. So I am making progress on the physical side of things, but like I said, I kept going back to the model, and so I kept changing things, and I didn't want to water jet everything until I was figured out. So I'm getting pretty close. I worked on it all day yesterday and a little bit today. I'll probably put in some more time on Monday. So that's where I'm at. Thanks for your patience, and I'll talk to you later.